So, we're riding in a Royal Brunei. You know, it was really a tiring day though, because we have a lot of things, and then for how many weeks Tatay was preparing your boxes. I was so tired. Even today I was preparing your boxes, cleaning the flat, handed over the flat. Look at Kuya, Kuya already sleeping. Ate. Oo, it's done, Hanay. So thankful that Tito To was helping us. And Tito Noy and Tita Alilin, Tita Rochelle was helping us. If they did not help us, oh, we're very tired. We should be thankful of Tito Noy, Tito To. We're so blessed. We have a very helpful family. And I was really tired. I'm sleepy. I wanna drink coffee. Kuya? Kuya is sleepy. Ate also. You know, RR, it's already 6 o'clock. Take rest na. Okay, take rest. Yung